Hello everyone, welcome back. I am Pooja Upadhyay from Department of Advanced Management Studies, GS College of Commerce, Wardha. In my previous video sessions, we have seen the concept of digital marketing. In that, we saw the different channels and platforms by using which effective digital marketing can be performed. Then after that, we see the concept of e-commerce. We have seen its different methods, then types, its advantages and disadvantages. Now, in this session, we are going to learn the related concept, which is hybrid marketing. So let's start. You will never observe that any marketer is completely rely on one or more marketing strategy for executing its marketing campaign. We all know that marketing is just not limited to selling particular product to customer. It includes identifying needs and wants of customers, fulfill that needs and wants by availing a specific product or services, then getting the feedback related to that product and services, and lastly making effective customer relationship management. So, for performing these different sub-functions of marketing, marketers utilizes various marketing channels, though they may be traditional marketing platforms or digital marketing platforms. Hybrid marketing is also based on this same principle. It utilizes traditional marketing platforms like broadcasting, print media, outdoor banners and hoardings, along with digital marketing platforms which includes search engine optimization, search engine management, search engine marketing, social media marketing, email marketing, content marketing, etc. So overall, we can say that this concept of hybrid marketing is a combination of traditional marketing and digital marketing. Its purpose is same, to achieve to attract maximum crowd of customers and establish effective brand equity. So, after knowing this concept of hybrid marketing, one question arises that what about multi-channel marketing? Some experts says that hybrid marketing and multi-channel marketing are different concepts. But as per my research, I get to know that these both concepts are one and the same. Because in multi-channel marketing, marketers utilizes again traditional marketing as well as digital marketing, which happens in hybrid marketing. So we can say that hybrid marketing, multi-channel marketing and omni-channel marketing are the three different names of same concept of marketing. Now the question arises that how to establish or how to define or how to plan an effective hybrid marketing strategy. For this, there are these 5 questions by answering which you can prepare your own effective hybrid marketing strategy. So let's see these all questions one by one. The very first question for building effective hybrid marketing strategy is, what is the core message you want to share? Here, you have to identify the core message. This core message may be your intention which you want to share with your customers in order to share your product or service, in order to sell your product or services to your customers. After that, the next question is, who is your target customers? Depending upon the nature of your product or services, your target customers varies. Let's take an example of perfume brand. If you are a manufacturer of perfume, then your target customers will be teenager, youngsters or adult one. So here in this question, you have to identify your exact target customers. Then in third question, that where are you most likely to get the target audience reach? Here you have to identify the place, the platform, the channels where you can directly interact with your target customers or target audience. As I have quote one example in this previous question that if you are a manufacturer of perfume, then your target customers will be teenagers and youngsters. Now you will get that you will get the crowd of teenagers and youngsters mostly on online platforms. So here you will get the answer of this third question that the target, or you can reach to your target audience by specifying your target customers. Okay, now in fourth question, what is the fourth question? Where do they spend more time? Means where are they spending their maximum time? On offline medium or online medium? So depending upon the nature, the demography of your target customers, you have to specify that where your target customers are spending more time, on online platform or on offline platforms. The last question is, how can you measure the result of your campaign? This question is very important from the perspective of marketer in order to measure the effectivity of their marketing campaign. By knowing the answer of this question means here you have to find out that how can you measure the performance your marketing campaign. Means if you are marketing your campaign on online platforms, then there will be various analytical scales. By comparing that with your actual sales, you can measure the performance of your campaign. Same on the principle of on traditional marketing platforms. So after getting the answers of these all 5 questions, you can definitely build your own effective hybrid marketing plan. Now let's understand these all questions practically with the help of an example. Consider the brand Amazon. Okay, now you have to build the marketing plan, the hybrid marketing plan for this company Amazon, or you don't need to build, it is already built, but here you can compare these questions with the actual plans or the actual marketing strategy of Amazon. So let's go one by one. The first question, what's the core message of this Amazon? The core message of Amazon is India ki apni dukaan. So this is the core message which Amazon want to convey their customers. The next is, who is Amazon's target customers? If we will analyze in depth, so we will get to know that the target customers of all category of customers are the target for Amazon, because they are focusing on teenagers, then youngsters, then middle-aged people, and then senior people. So these are different target customers of Amazon. The next one is, where are you most likely to go? Means where the Amazon get their target audience reach. So in case of youngsters and middle age, they can reach their target audience on online platforms. Here you will get the answers of this both question. Means they are getting their target customers reach on online platform, and talking about the senior people, they can reach them by using various traditional channels because mostly the company can target them on offline platforms. Okay, the last one is, how can you measure the result of your campaign? So Amazon already have various scales and various meters by which they can analyze their analyze the performances of marketing strategy. Okay, so here I discuss the various answers of this question from the perspective of Amazon's marketing strategy. So by analyzing it, you'll get to know that Amazon is actually marketing on both the platforms, online and offline platform. You will get the advertisement of Amazon on traditional platforms like print media, commercials, etc. Then you also get the notifications of Amazon by mails. You get its advertisement on various social media. So this is how one can build the effective marketing hybrid marketing strategy by answering these both questions. These all questions. I hope you understand this, and now you will be able to build the marketing hybrid marketing strategy of any brand. Take any brand and try this same exercise. You will get the answer, and you will be expert in building this hybrid marketing strategy after practicing it. Okay, the next is the principles by applying which you can make more effective hybrid marketing strategy. These principles are, the first one is consistency in branding. You have to be very consistent while making your branding. Make the continuous marketing of your product. The next is same experience on offline and online. It is observed that there are so many marketers which executes different advertisement on offline platform and different advertisement on online platform. So this different advertisement confuses customers, because nowadays customers are using both the platforms simultaneously. You cannot specify that this amount of customers are only using offline platform or only using online platform. So for the customers who are using both the platforms, the advertisement experience should be same. The next one is specific content. Similarly as that of the above principle, the content of your marketing advertisement or marketing campaign should be same on both platforms, this offline and online. The colors you are using in your advertisement, the font style, and then font size, this all should be same and specific. Then the important principle is data collection at each touch point. Whatever platform you are using for marketing your product or services, you should be able to collect the data in order to get the answer of this question. Measure the result. In order to measure the result of your advertisement, you should be able to collect the data of your prospective customers at each touch point. So by applying these all principles, your hybrid marketing strategy will be more effective. So in this video session we have seen what is hybrid marketing, then keys to build hybrid marketing plan, and principles to achieve best hybrid marketing strategy. I hope you understand this concept, and now you are after going through this video, you will be able to build your own hybrid marketing strategy. In the next video session, we will see one more interesting concept of digital marketing. Till then, be safe and keep learning. Thank you.